Today we're gonna make cheesy cheese breakfast. Put the oil in the pan, add chopped onions, and fry it until it's golden brown. Now add chopped garlic, also fry it. Now add chopped tomatoes and fry everything together. Cover it and let it cook. Let's add the spices now. Also fry them for a while. Here's the pizza sauce. I'm gonna add 2 spoons of it. Mix it and fry. Now add chopped bell peppers and fry it for a while and add water. Cover it and let it cook. Wow, it's already smelling so yummy. When all the water is dry, I'm gonna crack open 4 eggs. Oopsie, 1 egg yolk got broken. Cover it and let it cook. Sprinkle some salt and pepper on the egg. Now add some shredded mozzarella cheese. Cover it and let the cheese melt. Add some fresh coriander and it's ready. Enjoy it. Yum, yum, yum.